Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback from the previous lesson. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about why the US is a permanent member of the UN Security Council. Now let's test your understanding. Is the United States a temporary member of the UN Security Council? No. The United States is a permanent member. Was the Security Council created after World War I? No, it was created after World War II in 1945. Does the U.S. have the power to veto Security Council decisions? Yes, as a permanent member, the U.S. has veto power. Are there only 3 permanent members of the Security Council? No, there are 5: the U.S., the U.K., France, Russia, and China. Was the U.S. chosen because it was a winner of World War II? Yes, it was one of the victorious Allied powers. Can the U.S. block a resolution even if all other countries agree? Yes, the veto allows them to do that. Does the Security Council make decisions about international peace and security? Yes, that's its main responsibility. Is the UN General Assembly more powerful than the Security Council? No, the Security Council holds more decision-making power in matters of peace and security. Do all countries agree that the veto system is fair? No, many believe it should be reformed. Should you watch the video again to improve your English? Yes, repetition helps you understand better and learn faster. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting videos. We'll see you in the next episode.